of our Excel series. So today we are going to discuss two topics in this video, and mostly in all of our videos which is going to be in future, we are going to discuss two tricks every day in the each episode. So today what we are going to discuss in Excel is how we can convert a text from lowercase to uppercase, and that too with the two topics, which is with using Excel formula and without using an Excel formula. So I hope this is going to be a useful video for you. So let's start. So let's move to our first data. So you can see that over here I have three columns. The first one is name, second is topping, and third is marks. The data in this two columns is text, and the third data is basically a number. So let's say if I want to use a formula to make this uppercase, so I can use a simple Excel function which is upper function. Okay, so if I want to use it, all I have to do is I have to type equal upper, and then after opening the bracket I have to simply select a text which I want to make the uppercase. So let's select this text and press enter. So you can see that my data is now uppercase. Now in order to basically apply it for the entire data, all I have to do is basically drag it to the all the corresponding cells, so that this formula will be applied to the other data as well. Now if I want to basically take this data to the original table, all I have to do is I have to select this data, do a right click on copy, and instead of do a direct paste, what I can do is I can simply do paste special, and instead of this normal paste, what I can use is paste values. So when I use the paste values, you can see that all of my data is pasted over here, and now this data is useless for me, so I can simply delete it. Now you can see that there is only one error in this entire process, which is the numbers are also converted into text. So we don't have to worry about it. All we have to do is we have to select our data, whether it is 6 rows as shown over here, or it can be 6,000 and 6 lakhs as well. And after selecting, I have to click on this info button and simply click on convert to number. So when I click on convert to number, you can see that all of my numbers are again converted to their original form. Now let's say if you don't want to use any function and want to still do the uppercase to your text, we can do it as well in Excel. Let's move to our second data. We have this similar data over here where we have names, topics, and marks, and all the things are written in lowercase letter. However, if you are not going to use the function, you have to compromise one thing in Excel, which is the text format. So let's say if you want to go with the same text format, you can use the formula trick only. However, if you can go with another text format, what you can do is select your data. Either you can click over here and press Ctrl A, or simply select your data through your mouse and go to the text format. And in this text format, you can find a lot of formats which is giving only uppercase letter. I have one example over here, copper plate Gothic, but you can find another formats as well. So let's say if I click on this format, you can see that all of my data is converted into uppercase over here. If I do a Ctrl Z, you can see the text was lowercase, but when I use this format, my data was converted into uppercase letters. So I hope you like this tricks. Basically what we have learned is we want to if you want to basically convert the lowercase data into uppercase, we can use two tricks. The first by the function, and second without using function. There are some benefits and some demerits as well of these tricks. So based on your current data structure, you can use any of this format. Thank you for watching this episode. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please comment and subscribe and like our video. Also please follow us for latest updates. Thank you.